Hi guys, so it's hazy season again, and never forget your mask. See, I don't have the mask with me now. So okay, it's been a while since my last video about fixing the rear noise, and yeah, the noise is still there. I'm fixing another appointment to meet my service advisor to sort it out again. Anyway, today is not the servicing day. Today I'm doing something special for my car. It's a small little modifications. It's a cosmetic modifications, and since the car is still under warranty, so I won't go for any hardware modification at the moment because it's still under warranty. So what I can do, or what most of us can do, especially those who jaga warranty, is to do cosmetic modifications. So my last cosmetic modifications was done I think 3 months ago. I changed the front kidney grille to glossy black kidney grills, and also I installed a spoiler. And today I'm doing something special, similar to what I did for my bike last time, my dear good old MT09. So I'm actually heading to a sticker shop or vinyl shop, wrap shop, whatever you call it. And today I'm gonna wrap my side skirt and also the side mirror cover. Okay, initially I thought of changing carbon fiber side mirror cover for my car, but it's not cheap at all. It costs around 800 ringgit for a pair of dry carbon fiber side mirror cover. So, and inspired by a fellow F20 members, he did his side skirt wrap with M Performance stickers, and also carbon fiber sticker for his side mirror cover, which the outcome was quite good. So I decided to do the same thing for my car, but in a special way. So okay, now we're heading to the sticker shop, and I'll show you what sticker that I'm doing or I have chosen for my car. Okay, I'll see you guys in shortly. Okay guys, here we almost reached the shop. It's located behind Tesco Ampang, and the name is Unicorn Graphic. And I actually made the printing of my sticker a day before, so I have been told that the sticker has been printed, and now I'm coming here to install. Okay, here we are, Unicorn Graphic. Nice, it's empty, lunch time. So it's lunch hour, and the shop is empty, and they're doing for my car now.
So we have plenty of designs here, or if you are creative enough, you can custom print your own design.
Okay guys, so it's done. I know some may think it's a bit weird because it's not the standard M performance sticker, and also not the standard carbon fiber cover, side mirror cover. So yes, that's my intention and my personal taste to make the car a bit different than the normal design that you guys get to see on the road. So anyway, it's not so expensive for both side skirts, and the side mirror cover it cost me only 250 ringgit for the custom print stickers and also the labor charge. So yeah, I think it's not bad. Try to have some fun with the car, and if I get bored one day, then maybe I'll remove the sticker or try something else new. So okay, that's it for today. I'll see you on the next video, and bye. Drive safe and ride safe, of course. Bye.